Japanese method that will eliminate your back pain and lose weight quickly in a few days. You would be amazed to know the surprising variety of methods to lose weight that the Japanese have. And all of them, besides being simple, are also very efficient. Now, if we consider the hasty lifestyle we have today, it is not surprising that many people just do not have enough time to maintain a daily routine of training or diet. So, in the absence of time and energy, we turn to magic pills and potions that will burn the fats for us. Or we just dream of going to bed and losing weight while doing nothing. Well, it seems that the Japanese Dr. Fukutsuji has found the key to what we have just said. After a decade of helping many people in their battle against being overweight, Dr. Fukutsuji came up with a method for weight loss that does not require diets, strenuous exercise or money. What do you need? A large cloth, can be a large towel, a good strap or rope, a flat surface. 5 minutes a day. What to do? Wrap the cloth or towel following these parameters: 40 centimeters long and 7 to 10 centimeters of thickness. Use the strap or rope to ensure that the towel does not wiggle. Lie on your back on a flat surface, the floor or bed. Put the towel under the lower back at a height below the navel. Keep heels shoulder width apart, 20-25 centimeters, and thumbs touching each other. The arms are stretched fully over the head with the palms of the hands touching the ground and the pinky and ring fingers of both hands touching each other. This is a position that should be maintained for 5 minutes and the results can be immediately checked. But before you take your height and measure your waist, to compare it with the same measures taken after doing the exercise. Note: be careful, as long as you do the exercise, your bones and joints will twist a bit. If you want to get the expected results, that is narrowing your belly and burning excess fat, it is important to be persistent, even if exercise causes mild discomfort. If it is painful for you to stay in this position for 5 minutes, you should start for 1 or 2 minutes. If it is necessary to do less, you should do so and gradually increase to 5 minutes. At the end of the exercise, you should not get up suddenly, but slowly, getting to one side first and then getting up. The key to this exercise is that it helps reaccommodate the pelvic bones and intestines so that the waist and abdomen look flatter. It is also shown that doing it even for the first time increases 1 centimeter approximately of stature by the reaccommodation of the bones. Incredible but proven.